Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Savoury from Hello Show. Nice to meet you. And as you can see, it's a cleaning day for me. Well, this was long due. It's my wardrobe slash workroom, which is now a mess. Today I'm packing my childhood stuff in a box, and this will go in a storeroom. Maybe in 20 or 30 years or so, this will become a time capsule, and I'll show it to you guys in another video. Till then, stay tuned. I started this around 10 am and now it's almost noon, so let's move to the kitchen and make some lunch. Everything is set up here, and by the title I hope you know what we are going to make. So first let's make the sauce. Here I've taken some Szechuan sauce for the spice, a little vinegar for that sour punch, a dark soy sauce for the savory touch, and we are good to go. I hardly follow any recipes if you know me. Most of the time what I make is up to my mood and what's in my fridge. Today I felt like eating something spicy, sour and savory. So here we are making 1 pot fettuccine pasta. We have already assembled the sauce beforehand. Now in a pot let's add some vegetable oil, and in goes some ginger, garlic and chillies. Keeping the heat in medium, and when you see the garlics turning gold, add some medium sliced onions. Shallow fry them a little and add some tomato sauce or paste which you have nearby for some tanginess. Keep stirring, and when you see the onions getting a little soft, add the rest of your veggies. I have added mushroom and few capsicums here. When they start releasing water, add some chicken stock. The chicken stock will give you the rich flavor-filled base for your soup. And now let it boil for around 2 to 3 minutes. For the protein, I've taken some leftover chicken. I've shredded them beforehand. Now adding it to the soup and keep on stirring. At this point, add the sauce and let the flavors blend nicely before you add the pasta. For this recipe, I have taken fettuccine, but feel free to substitute it with any other pasta you have nearby. Spaghetti, plain noodles or ramen work fine as well. Give them a good boil in the soup and let it absorb all the tasty goodness. Meanwhile, add some salt to your preference and of course some MSG. MSG is a classic vibe. If you know what I'm talking about. And no, it's not harmful as some of you may think. Go search on Google if you still have doubts. Stir a little, then cover and cook for fast action. And when your noodles are soft as they look here in the video, add some paneer or tofu if you have nearby in your pantry. I had these fried paneers. These are made and sourced locally, and they are so soft and squishy and absorb great deal of flavors. They take only 2 to 3 minutes to cook. When it looks tasty and smells heavenly around you, take it off the heat and it's ready to go in your belly. And here I'm eating it. I'm a pasta monster. Now, in case if you are wondering, your girl got her cooking skills from here. These are my kid life toys, my sole owned properties. My gas stove, knife, saucepan, and last but not the least, a pressure cooker. A freaking pressure cooker, and it had knobs. That's too much of my past life. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe if you haven't done it yet already. I love you guys. Take care. See you next week.